Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you how to create or add Ajax model pop-up extender in ASP.NET. I'm clicking forget password. Notice we got the pop-up control with rounded corners. The background color has changed and the text is the center. Now close. The pop-up window is gone. If you are a first-time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. In my previous video, I have showed how to create the complete login and logout page using sessions. If you missed those videos, at the end of this video tutorial, you will get that link. Now in this video, I will show you. I will add one forget password, which is a link button. When a user click that button, it will open a small model pop-up window. And let's open my Visual Studio source code page. We'll write the coding part. And this is the code we have just seen, the output on the browser. As I told, I want to add one link button control beside the button control. This is a button control and this button control is inside the table control. TD, I'm adding TD. Inside this TD, I'm adding one link button control. Go to toolbox, the link button control. I'm changing the link button control label to forget password. After adding the link button, when we want to add Ajax controls in your web form page, you need to install the Ajax control toolkit and DLL libraries in your project. If you don't know how to install the Ajax toolkit into your project, I made a video on that. At the end of this video tutorial, you will get the link of that video. Now inside the form tag, we need to add the script manager. Go to toolbox, Ajax extension, script manager. Once we add the script manager, now we can able to access the Ajax control into this web form page. After the closing field set, I'm adding Ajax model pop-up extender. Go to toolbox, Ajax toolbox folder. Here the model pop-up extender, click that one, and here we got the model pop-up extender. After this, I am adding one simple panel control, which is our pop-up window. Go to toolbox, panel control. I am adding a property pop-up control ID, which is panel 1. And the target control ID is equals to the link button ID. When a user clicks this link button, this panel will be open, which is our model pop-up control. Now inside the panel, I'm adding one div container. Enter the register email ID, break horizontal line. Now here I am adding one text box control to enter the email ID and two button controls, one button for the submit and the second one for closing the pop-up window. Go to toolbox, text box control, toolbox, button control. I'm adding one pipe symbol and second one button control. Submit, close button. I'm adding style, display, none. Now we'll check the output. When a user clicks this link button, the pop-up panel will be open or not. Google Chrome. And here we got the output after adding the link button, forget password. When I click forget password, notice we got a pop-up window. Enter the register email ID, one text box control, one submit button, and close. Now what I'll do is I will add some styles to this model pop-up control. Let's close this window. Switch to the source code and stop debugging. Now in the header section, I'm adding style tag. Now inside the style tag, I want to add the styles to this panel control. So I'm picking panel 1, which is the ID of this panel. I'm adding inside the styles hash panel 1. When we are adding ID controls into the styles, we need to add the hash symbol. Between curly braces, the background color lies blue, height 90 pixels, width 300 pixels, line height 30 pixels, text align, I want to put center, font weight bold, and the last style I want to add the rounded corners. Border solid 1.5 pixels, border radius 15 pixels. That's it. We have done the coding part. Let's check the final output on the browser. The style sheet is added to the model pop-up or not. Google Chrome. I'm clicking forget password. Notice we got the pop-up control with rounded corners. The background color has changed and the text is the center. When I close, the pop-up window is gone. That's it.